So when we provide clients our reports, one of the very first things they look at is when is roof replacement going to come into play within this 10-year cycle of us owning that business. So if we could show them that, hey, at year 5, you don't have to put all that capital expenditure into replacing the roof, you can actually do roof rejuvenation and you can move those expenditures another 5 years down the road, which is really important to our clients because that's what they're looking at is capital and cash flow. An example of where this came into play was for one of our clients' LiveCore's property in Naples, Florida. If you walked around and looked at the property, there were shingles missing in a lot of different places, which typically represents the end of life for a shingle roof. But we were able to look at it and determine that they could be successfully treated with a roof rejuvenation and then repaired the missing shingles, and now they've got a 5-year roof that probably would have been replaced this summer. Roof replacements are typically $425 to $450 a square, so you could be looking at $500,000 to $1.1 million to replace an entire complex, and for those same complexes you would be in the $60s to $100,000 of roof rejuvenation, which can extend the life and keep that money flowing in other places. So now to have what I would consider to be a major disruptor in the industry, we have this option now that we can offer to our clients. Instead of filling up the landfill with all of those shingles, we can extend the life of this roof with this roof rejuvenation option.